Tired of staring at the same boring icon on Windows 11? You can customize them to match your style. Stick around as we show you how to change the default icon for any file type quickly and safely. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are diving into Windows 11 customization by changing the default icons for file types. Whether you want a cleaner look, better organization, or just a bit of personality on your desktop, this step-by-step guide will show you how to do that. Let's get started. Method 1. For a single folder, open File Explorer, go to the folder you want to change and right-click it. Select Properties, go to the Customize tab, click Change Icon. Choose an icon from the list or click Browse to find a custom file. Click OK, then Apply, and finally OK to save the changes. Method 2. Change file type icon via Registry Editor. Press Windows + R to open Run Utility. Type regedit. If prompted by user account control, click Yes. In the Registry Editor, go to hkey_classes_root/.txt. Replace with the actual file extension, example.txt.jpg.html. Look at the default value in the right pane. This shows the file type, for example, txtfile. Copy the file name, then navigate to hkey_classes_root/file type name, for example, hkey_classes_root/txtfile. Under the Choose an Extension key, look for a subkey named Default Icon. If default icon doesn't exist, right-click the extension key, then select New, then Key, then name it Default Icon. Select the default icon key. On the right pane, double-click the default entry. In the Value Data field, enter the full path to your new icon file or executable. Example, c:/myicons.ico or c:/programfile/appfolder/app.exe, 0. This specifies the first icon inside the executable. You have two options: restart your computer or restart Windows Explorer. To do so, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click, restart. After this, the file type should display your new icon. And that's it. Your file icons are now customized on Windows 11. A small tweak, but it makes a big difference in how your system feels. If this guide helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next video.